Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be solving the Leetcode number 4, median of two sorted arrays. This has been labeled hard. I don't know about that, but basically what we want to do here is given two sorted arrays, nums1 and nums2 of size m and n respectively, return the median of two sorted arrays. The overall runtime complexity should be O log m plus n. So here are two examples. Nums1 has got 1 and 3. Nums2 is equal, it just has this 2 in here. And our output should be 2. So basically the first step is to merge the arrays. That'll give us 1, 2, 3. And then we need to find the median, which is the middle number here. So that's pretty simple for the odd length arrays, because then all you got to do is merge it. Well, first, I'm sorry. All you got to do is merge it and then sort it, and then just grab whatever the middle number is, right? So, it'd be like merged array divided by 2 wrapped in a math.floor. And that'll give you, 3 divided by 2 rounded down is going to equal 1, and that'll give you 2, right? So it's a little bit more tricky for even length arrays. So we merge nums1 and nums2. That's going to give us this. Well, we merge it and then we sort it just to make sure. And then the median is going to be 2 plus 3, so the middle 2 divided by 2, and it's going to give you 2.5, which is your output. All right, so let's go ahead. I'm going to solve this in CodePen so I can see what my code is doing as I type it. That's how I like to do it. It's easier to catch errors that way. And for me, it helps me learn because I get to see exactly what everything's doing. All right, so here's our two variables. Whoops. Next to equal sign, sorry about that. And now we're going to create our function. We'll just call it func. For now, we're just going to return nums1, and then console.log it so we can see it. Oops, I accidentally added that asterisk there. Now we should see nums1 in the console. We do. Good. All right, so step 1 is to merge the array, right? So we're going to call this sorted array, and I know we're just merging it right now, but we're going to sort it very shortly here. So this is nums1, and then to merge them, we're just going to use the concat method, and we just put in nums2. So if we return sorted array, it should be merged. What did I do here? Oh, there's your problem. Cool. So now the array is merged. Next thing we need to do is then go ahead and sort it. So we're going to say sort A,
Sure.
B.
Translate into which language?
Sorry about that. A, B. What am I doing here? I get distracted. I accidentally clicked on Siri. All right, A, B, and then we're going to say A minus B. Now we should have that merged array, and it should be sorted. Good. 1, 2, 3. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do an if-else statement to determine whether or not sorted array is, if its length is even or odd, right? So we're going to check if sorted array modulus 2 does not equal 0, then we're going to do something. So basically this is saying, if you divided the, I'm sorry, it should be sorted array.length, excuse me. And check if the length is, if you divide it by 2, do you get a remainder of 0, or does it have a remainder, right? So if it's odd, it's going to have a remainder. If it's even, it's going to be 0. So for this sorted array here, because its length is 3, we should see this console.log statement in the console. Well, there you go. Perfect. All right. So, and then we're going to have an else statement that does something else if its length is even, right? So like we said, it's pretty simple. If it's even, all we need to do is we need to return this 2 here, right? So that's pretty easy to do. We just do return sorted array and at, so we're going to give it an index, and we're going to say sorted array dot length divided by 2, and we get undefined because sorted array divided by length divided by 2 gives you 1.5, and there is no index of 1.5. So what we need to do is we need to round down. So we put that in parentheses, and then we're going to use the math.floor method. Oops. And now we should get 2 in the console. And there it is. Cool. So now we need to do something else if we have an even array. And what we're going to do is we're going to return. So basically what we need to do here is we need to return 2 plus 3 divided 2 plus 3 divided by 2. So in order to do that, we're going to return, I'm going to put this in parentheses, sorted array, and here we're going to say sorted array dot length divided by 2 minus 1, right? So we should be seeing 2 now. Yeah, right. Because this is our array, right? Our length is 4. Divide that by 2. It's going to give you 2, but that would be index here. That'd be 3, so you need to minus it by 1. And then we're going to add it to, I'm just going to copy this and paste it. Add it to that, but take out the minus 1. Oops, what did I do here? I think yep, I see it. So now we should get 5, right? Then we need to divide by 2. There we go, 2.5. All right, so then we can get rid of this return statement. It's not doing anything. And let's test this out. This should be good. Meaning of two sorted arrays. Here we are. So I'm going to paste that in there. I'm going to run the test case here. Cool. All right, so that's solved it. So now we're going to submit it. Very good. And runtime is not great. 6 milliseconds only beats 24%, but it is a solution nonetheless. All right. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. And thanks so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.